everyone, over my Jack of Northwest Bustles. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2001 GMC Bluebird. This is a GMC 72 passenger. Let's check it out. Alright, so tires around 24 or 15 seconds. This is powered by the Chevy Vortec 8.1 liter turbo diesel engine. So, come back inside. So first thing first, step on the nose and grab what can come in. We're going to the driver area first. Driver people street. We got the mileage on this. It says 151,625 miles. AC and for video controls. We got new of a series of variants of fans and number 1 and number 2 into Comex mirror. Alright, let's head on back. This is a 72 passenger. 72 packs. No whips and tears and cracks. We got PA system, speaker 6 gonna be rated in IO. 2 emergency half roof on the driver's side. Nice and clean. That would do it for the inside. Let's check on the outside. Alright, tire on this. We got the fuel and gas. And tires right here. Look at this. Alright. We got the battery box and tray. We got the emergency exit door roof hatch. And the driver's side tire here. And last but not least, we have a one driver's side tire. Well, there you have it. Well, thank you guys for watching this Northwest Bus Sales Explosive Video Tour. If you like this bus or anything about to call out to 1-800-221-7099. Please website indebutbus.com or more e-sales and debutbus.com. Thanks for watching.